Hello, hello. I hope you are all healthy and safe at home. As I'm preparing this mentorship program and I'm working more on what we're gonna learn in every life, I'm getting more and more excited. And I want to share a little bit with you what I have here for you ready and how I can help you to not only become better permanent makeup artist, but my biggest passion is actually to inspire and motivate my students how to become better version of themselves and in all the different aspects of life, not only in permanent makeup, because you cannot be productive at work if you're unhealthy inside or in your mind, or something like stressful or like something that bothers you. You cannot give your 100% at work. And I think it's very important to start a little bit by talking and analyzes the general overview of your life or your career and where you need to focus more to become better. So my mentorship program will have two parts. The first part will be more on the personal growth and of course like aspects like marketing and branding and business and everything. And then the second part will be focused more on permanent makeup. So what I have for you, it's going to be 9 lives, and we will discuss like concept like life and career analysis in general. We will set up dreams and vision for our business and for personal life, because if you don't know where you're going, if you don't have the vision and dream, it's gonna take you a very long time to get somewhere. Education, knowledge, personal growth, goals, discipline, planning, organization, body and health fitness, because again, you cannot execute anything well if you don't feel healthy. So this is something that's very important. I'm gonna share a little bit my journey with body and health and fitness. Marketing and branding. So we're gonna analyze what is going on. Then we will see the visualize where we want to get. Then we will learn and see how you can up-level your skills and like in general what you need to learn to become better. Then you will set up goals. You will energize your body so you feel good, and then you can execute. So then we're getting into marketing and branding, networking, communication, collaborations, creativity part in general of our business, like video, pictures, content. I will talk a little bit about like how to edit, how to prepare a little bit better your content and what kind of like pictures and how to take pictures. So like we will dive a little bit more in there. And then the last lesson will be on more like on digital business and social media, which is very important nowadays. So this will be first part of the lesson, and then of the life. And then the second part will be more focused on permanent makeup, where we will learn all different techniques: microblading, ombre, lips, eyeliner, and again we will discuss anesthetics, pigments, fundamentals of permanent makeup, a lot of theory, practice. I will have my machine here. We will practice together. We will show you. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you how I'm excited to. And in general, this was my biggest passion, is to help people to change their lives and to become better version of themselves. And I can't wait to share it with you. And if I can help in any way, it will be big achievement for me. So I'm looking there for you this Wednesday. I will include more information and link where you can purchase the course, and see you all there. Bye, stay safe.